Hi everyone, welcome to week 11 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a bear motif. For this I have chosen chocolate brown color yarn. So before starting into the pattern, we can see what are all the stitches we are going to use. We are going to use a single crochet, magic ring, then half double crochet, increase stitches, also double crochet and slip stitch wherever required. So first you can make a magic ring and start doing 10 single crochets into the magic ring. So once you are done with the 10 single crochets, drag this tail end. Now you can start making row 2. So row 2 is 2 single crochets in each loop, which means you have 10 single crochets now. You are supposed to do 2 single crochets in each so that the 10 will become 20. Last increase stitch of the row. So totally we have 20 single crochets now, and if you get this gap, just pull the tail end. The gap will get shrink. Now you shall start making row 3. So row 3 we are going to switch to half double crochet to increase the height of the product. So we are going to do one half double crochet and one increase stitch. That is, in the first loop, in the first stitch of the previous row, you are going to make one half double crochet, and in the next you are going to do 2 half double crochets. So by this row's end you will have 30 stitches. So this one is the last stitch. So we have completed till 30th. Now we can move to the row 4. So row 4 we are going to make half double crochet again, but it's going to be an increase row. So we are going to make 2 half double crochet, then 1 increase stitch. So in the first stitch we are going to make 1 half double crochet, and in the second one also 1 half double crochet, and in the third stitch we are going to increase. So by doing this row will get increased as 40. So now we are making the 40th stitch. So that's it. Row 4 is done. Now we are going to make row 5. So row 5 we are going to make the ears. So you can start making 5 double crochets in the next stitch. So that is, in the next one you can start making 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 double crochets into the same stitch, and you can skip the next one and make a slip stitch on the next stitch. So once you are done with this, you shall make 5 slip stitch in the next stitches, that is the upcoming stitch. So you shall make 1, 3, 4 and 5. So you're done with the 5 slip stitches. So now you can skip one. Now you can make 5 double crochets into the next stitch. So once you are done with the 5 double crochets in the stitch, you can skip one stitch here and make a slip stitch on the next one. So now your bear motif is ready. You can just drag the center part to close this even more. Once the work is completed, you can seal it one more time, and you can cut this excess part. So you can cut this and make a knot here so that it will be safe. And now if you want to make this as a charm, or you want to make this as a hanging, you can use a needle and get this part to the center. Just with this needle on the back side, you can hide it in this part, and you can directly come to the center. So once you are here, just make this as a loop. Like this, how much ever you want, you just leave it. And here, to make this symmetry, just go into the opposite ears. And now with this itself it will get locked. To make this even more stronger, make a knot here. Now this will be a tight stitch. You can just insert this on 1 or 2 loops and you can cut the excess yarn. In the same way, you can hide this tail end as well. Once you are done hiding, you can cut this excess part. So your easy bear motif is ready. Hope you all like this. Thank you for watching.